Hi, grade 4. And now our lesson for today is reading and writing decimal up to thousands. Okay, so a decimal point that is separate the whole number part from the decimal part, it is read as end. To read the decimal, to read the decimal number, read the whole number and the decimal point followed by the last digit with the correct place value. Okay, so dun sa decimal point, may mga place value tayo. Okay, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. A decimal point is a whole number divided to 10 equal parts create a tenth. Okay, tatandaan nyo yung place value natin. This is ones and tenths. This decimal point or the decimal point we read as an end. These are the decimal point. After the decimal point, there is no want. Ano yung place value niya? That is tenths, hundredths, thousands. Okay, tandaan natin yan ha. Kung i-compare nyo dun sa whole number, yung tenths, that is TENS. Sa tenths natin sa decimal point, we have TE or we spell that TENTHS. So tenths, hundredths, thousand. After the decimal point, the, the place value or place, the decimal place is goes to tenths. Wala po tayong ones. Okay? Meron tayong tenths, hundreds, thousands, and so forth. Okay. So we read this number as the whole number. We read the whole number, 24, the decimal. Wala akong maririnig sa inyo na point. Ang basa dyan, end. Then we will read it as 456. Then we will, kung ano yung place value ng last number sa decimal point, bibigkasin or spell natin. So that is 456,000. Okay. So this, how do we read this? We have 4. So we read as 4. Then end. Dahil hindi tayo magsasabi ng point, that is end. Hindi yan 06. That is 6. Diba? 6, ano yung place value ni 6? That is 10. Tenths, hundreds. So 6 hundreds. 4 and 6 hundreds. Another example, how about this one? Okay, we have 10, we read this as 10. Decimal point, we read this as end. Then ano ang place value ni 4 sa decimal? That is tenths. So 10 and 4 tenths. Okay, how about this one? Okay, so we read as, pwede natin sabihin na 0 and 24,000 or 24,000. Hindi na natin bibigkasin yung end kasi 0 naman yung ating whole number. So, pwede na natin sabihin dyan na 24,000 or 0 and 24,000. Okay. So, please, yan muna yung lesson natin for today. Pakisagutan yung inyong first page ng lesson sa ating worksheet, identifying the place value. Again, tenths, that is tenths. Walang one sa pag after decimal points, that is tenths, hundreds, thousand. So that's it for today. At magbibigay ako ng support next week. Bye!